Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on my channel. Today, just like I always do of my own free will, with no coercion, I'm going to be teaching you a math concept. Sohcahtoa. Now, you may be wondering, what is Sohcahtoa? Well, to find out, first it's important that you know a little bit of vocabulary. Just a little. Now you see, if I'm focusing on this angle, okay, you have the side that is right adjacent to it here. That is the adjacent side. It's touching the angle. And you have the side that is not touching the angle. That's the opposite side. The third side, the long side, which is across from the 90-degree angle, is of course the hypotenuse. So if I focus on this angle, this side is adjacent to it, and this side is opposite to it. But if I focus on this angle, this side is adjacent to it, and this side is opposite to it. So now that we got that out of the way, Sohcahtoa is an acronym to teach you trigonometric ratios. Sohcahtoa stands for sine, opposite hypotenuse, cosine, adjacent hypotenuse, tangent, opposite adjacent. Now what that means is that the sine of theta, which is whichever angle you choose, is equal to the length of the side opposite to that angle over that of the hypotenuse. Sine opposite hypotenuse. SOH. So. Now, this also means that the cosine of theta is equal to the length of the adjacent side over the length of the hypotenuse. Cosine adjacent hypotenuse. CAH. And that the tangent of theta is equal to the length of the opposite side over that of the adjacent side. Tangent, opposite, adjacent, TOA, TOA. So, using these trigonometric ratios, you can find out all sorts of neat things about triangles depending on what you know. Trigonometric ratios can let you find out basically all the information about a triangle starting with two sides, or two pieces of information, such as an angle and a side, or, like I said, two sides. You can use this for all sorts of applications. For example, building a ramp, if you're an architect. Finding out how long it's going to be versus how tall it's going to be versus the angles, You might only have some of that information available, so you can use sine, cosine, or tangent to find out what you need to know. Sohcahtoa is just a really useful way of remembering it. And I hope this will be useful to you in your futures. And yeah, that's all for this video. Adios.